up, guys? Today we are playing Assassin, of course. Yeah. We are with my cousin. Where is she? Where are you?
I'm in the maps.
Oh, you're in the maps? Okay. So that's her, of course. Yeah. Oh, wait. Why is my mouse frozen all of a sudden? How will I kill? I have to go to a new server, don't I? Always with my plan. Be right back, guys. We're back. Got a new server, and we are coming. Shout out to Ian Abraham. Okay? Yeah.
Oh my god. Why don't they put walls?
Hey, I can join a friend. If you're in the game, I can join a friend.
Oh my god. They died. Hours. They didn't put a wall. They didn't put a wall.
Well, can you leave?
Cause your mom.
Yep.
Okay.
Too slow. I'm eating hot Cheetos.
It's so bad.
I'm drinking coffee. Yeah, coffee. See? Coffee. Hey. Drink. You can't see it. But it's coffee, guys. Totally not milk. Okay, let's go play, I guess.
By the back.
She's under He's a big laugher, actually.
She's drinking milk.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
What?
By the way, she's drinking milk.
Bacon here, XDDD. I know.
That means you're.
Oh!
You know what? I call it goofers because we always
Oh!
everywhere we go. You know.
Wow. No, mine's better, dude.
That's in Roblox.
Oh, well. Is the pro gone?
Oh, looks like 4 people.
Did anyone hear any voices right here? Like, that's creepy, guys. Why are we not hospital? Let's like the creepiest spot ever.
Goofer gang.
Oofer gang!
Two Roblox on new chains. Minecraft plays stay
Something's happened. Lost connection. I can tell.
Are we not supposed to fall off a building? Because I fell off because I thought this guy was killing me. Oh my god, it did. No.
Yeah, that was.
What?
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my god. Never mind. Dang it. Just 7, 8, 8. Please.
left due to lost connection. So we gotta play something else. Life sucks sometimes. I have a long neck. I didn't notice that. Oh, wait. Better? Do I still have a long neck?
No.
Oh. You sure?
Yes.
Like, I can literally see how long my neck is.
I can't even tell.
Okay, if you say so.
I can't even tell how soft your skin is.
First of all, that's rude. Let's play this, Granny.
We played it yesterday.
I know, but Granny, like, basically, this big. Granny like barely goes.
I want the worst one.
Dude, I'm taking this one. That's scary, man.
Scary.
Dude, what happened to a girl?
Did she kill herself? Did she kill herself?
This is scary already, man.
I'm cold. I got goosebumps.
I'm going where this guy's going. I don't want to know where he's going. But if it's safe, I'm fine with it. Yeah, it's because this guy has a harpoon. What is it? Oh, this is the arrow.
I'm here. There's 5 people.
What is that? I'm just clicking anything I would need to click. Can I pick up the berry traps? Dude, you have a lot of stuff. Where do you want to go? I'm following you.
I'm here. I'm here. Oh my god, there's a downstairs. There's a lot here.
Oh my god, I just saw my printer.
Did you guys put your clothes away?
Well, yeah, why?
Over there?
Oh my god.
Oh! I did not notice that.
Neither.
That's scary.
He's naked.
Which guy? Oh my god.
Wanna go to backyard again?
No way. So if once I see Granny, I'm just gonna. That's scary.
It's not.
I didn't. This is her granddaughter, Slenderina.
And I hate it. It's so creepy.
I totally agree with you.
I wanna go to the bedroom. Bye.
You're mean. Wait, they're just gonna spawn into the same thing?
Oh no. Oh my god. Hurry up.
I think I saw her, dude.
Yep. You can't spectate at all.
What? Okay, guys, I'm just gonna leave. Be right back. Okay. Okay, I'm so sorry. Like, we have some chores to do around the house, so we gotta do it. Gotta do. What should we play, actually? FPG break. I actually rage quit last time because like, the server I was on, like, oh my god, there's like there used to be like not a lot of campers, but then there's like this campus that came on, and this girl, she like got out of like she got out of like of like my car that she stole. And then when she did, she never told me that there was a car that was the police right there, and he just arrested me while the girl drove away, left me with them. So like that's like sucks. And like I don't get it. It's like never. Who did?
This one. Square. Girl of night court. She's definitely night court.
Okay, so basically, I don't want to get into like bank messes because I can never make it. I'm just gonna go to jail, like with Louisiana and stuff. I need money. Like I have like 62,000, I know that, but like I need money. This is like the most boring video I've ever made. I had like a lot of trying to make a perfect video. I think this is the right one for me. So we're just gonna try it. Tell me what you think about it in the comments. And thank you very much, guys. Okay, I'm also sick. So bless me. I'm gonna die soon.
I'm gonna play.
Hashtag pray for the cops.
I'm gonna play Phantom Forces.
And guys, if you ever try being a nice cop, one tip, don't battle just to see who's the nicest cop you've ever met. Because if you do that, what's gonna happen? No one's gonna really want you. Like I met this like person one time. Told me I'm a nice cop, but then when I said it, he didn't allow me to say it. So then when someone stole my card, he just killed them. And what happened next? Got arrested. No one trusted him again. Right?
Mine.
So after outro, thank you guys for watching. Please comment down below if it's good or not. I'll try my best to do more, but I will do more Roblox videos. Stay awesome. Bye bye, Jammer fam.